So I will be telling you the key difference between model training, ingestion and the prompting. So model training is something to give the AI knowledge. So AI can take a decision based on the knowledge it has. So it may be the pattern, it may be some of the rules or some of the images from where AI can understand that what exactly it needs to take a decision. Say for example, you have the employee database and you training that employee database to an AI model. Now, same employees, another image can be come to that particular model, and that model can decide that or can recognize that which employee that particular image belongs to. So this is one of the use case. Another use case, maybe you can train a financial data of users. Then maybe it can find out like his pattern of the buyings, or you may feed to the AI shop or a business all the invoice records, and then it can tell like which are the products being sold most on that specific time frame or on the specific month of that particular year. So it actually can train the data and understand the pattern or recognize the pattern and take a decisions. So that's is training. Another point is that prompting. So prompting is something like a AI model which already got training, and we given input query, and based on the input query, it getting the output from that particular pre-trained model. Let's imagine GPT-4o. So you are giving that GPT-4o a specific query as a prompt, and GPT-4 is giving you answer. Say for example, you are asking GPT-4 to write a letter or write a paragraphs on that specific topic. Let's say topic on bird or topic on any kind of let's say dipstick. So it's giving you the updates actually. So or it gives you the result actually. So prompting is something like you are giving some of the input queries to a specific pre-trained model and it giving us the output. So your prompting is actually getting the result. So imagine that you are asking GPT-4 to write an essay to a specific, or write a paragraph to a specific topic. Like write a paragraph of an Independence Day. So this is kind of a prompting. Or you are giving a document and asking that particular GPT-4o model or a DeepSeek model that give the summary or bullet point of that particular document. So it's give you the kind of a summary of that. So it is called a prompting. So prompting, in a word, giving an input query, and you are giving a topic, and based on that output is getting generated. Now third is the ingestions. So ingestion is giving the informations to an AI model. So imagine that Techno Exponent is promoting his 5 services or 6 services. So those services I'm ingesting to any kind of vector DB or any database in the Techno Exponent services we are putting into the database as a vector DB or something like that. So what actually ingestion is doing in a word, so ingestion is ingesting all the information of Techno Exponent services, and it giving us, when we are giving some input query, that what are the services Techno Exponent provides, so it gives the answers. Or maybe let's imagine you have a law documents, so whole law document you can ingest to that AI model. Now when that law document you are asking some questions, so without having a retraining from that particular document, it is giving us specific lines or specific answers. So another word I can say, let's say we are providing the AI services, web development services, mobile application development services in Techno Exponent. Now each of the services has a details that what are our strength and where we have a lot of clients. Now that document and that information being fed to this particular AI model. Now you can ask the questions to that AI model, and AI model can answer that question from specific paragraphs or lines. So That is also possible way to complete it. So many times client ask the question that when I need a training, when I need the ingestions. So in my point of view, very easy word to understand that when your AI need to take a decisions based on the pattern, based on the information it has, and based on that information it taking a decision, then we need the AI training. Like I'm giving examples of your employee images been trained, and then when any images comes to determine whether he is your employee or not, or retrieve the information of your employee. So this is simply training needed. But when ingestion is needed, just retrieval of the information. So you training all of the Techno Exponents, or you actually ingested all of the Techno Exponent services into your AI model. Now AI model only used for retrieval of the specific informations, then you need the ingestion. And prompting is kind of a simplification of your queries to AI understanding ways and giving you output. So prompting actually tell the AI model that what exactly a end user is needed, and based on that output will be generated.